Hi guys, today I'm going to test out this protractor mould. I'll be interested to see if it can pick up any of these numbers and angle details. I'm going to mix up some epoxy resin. Now it sort of has to still be probably clear for it to be a protractor, I'm not sure. But I did add a small amount of ultrafine glitter in Cullen, the tiniest amount, just to give it a bit of sparkle, a bit of point of difference. So I'm not sure if you can, there is kind of a bit of a sparkle to it. Anyway, let's see how this goes. Okay, well that was easy enough to fill. I'm going to pop in the air bubbles that service in the next few minutes with my little trusty blowtorch, and I will let it cure for a few days and I'll be back for the unmoulding. Okay, time to unmould. Wow, it has picked up all the detail, and there's still a nice transparency about it, but with a little bit of glitter, which I reckon makes it really special. Wow, this mould is definitely a success. Now it came with a few rulers, so I might try those out in the next video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please help my channel grow so that I can bring you some more mould testing. And I'll be back in a few days with some more. See you guys.